Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel, Cyclist Emoji. Today, we're checking out an electric mountain bike that combines agility, power, and value, the Qlife Racer electric bike for adults. Right pointing finger emoji, thinking about grabbing this ride? Hit the link below for today's best deals before it sells out. High voltage sign emoji, powerful yet practical, 750 watts peak brushless motor. The Qlife Racer features a 750 watts peak motor, rated at 500 watts nominal, giving you up to 22 miles per hour top speed, perfect for commutes, weekend adventures, or cruising mountain trails. You'll feel the power when climbing hills or accelerating on flat terrain, all while keeping it whisper quiet and energy efficient. Battery emoji, efficient range, 375 watt-hours removable battery. This bike includes a 375 watt-hours removable lithium battery, delivering enough juice for your daily commutes or casual trail rides. With pedal assist, you can expect 20 to 40 miles of range depending on terrain and riding style. The battery is lightweight, charges quickly, and can be removed for easy charging at home or the office. National Park emoji, built for versatility, 26 inches by 2.1 inches tires plus front suspension. The 26 by 2.1 inch tires offer a solid grip on pavement, gravel, and light trails. Combine that with a front suspension fork, and you're getting a balanced and comfortable ride whether you're gliding through the city or exploring weekend paths. Gear emoji, 21-speed Shimano gear system. Want full control over your ride? The 21-speed Shimano transmission makes this a bike highly adaptable to various terrains, from steep climbs to fast descents. It's smooth, responsive, and gives you that mountain bike feel with electric convenience. Shield emoji, lightweight frame plus step-through design. Weighing less than many competitors, the Qlife Racer uses a lightweight but durable frame, making it easy to handle and maneuver. The step-through frame also makes mounting/dismounting comfortable, especially great for urban riders, commuters, or those who prefer a more relaxed geometry. Red octagon emoji, safety and smart features. Dual disc brakes for confident stopping power. Bright LED headlight for night visibility. LCD display showing speed, battery, and paw level. Ergonomic saddle plus handlebar grips for all-day comfort. Bullseye emoji, ideal for daily commuters and casual riders. Mountain biking beginners. Teens and adults looking for a budget-friendly, feature-rich bike. Speech bubble emoji, final verdict. The Qlife Racer electric bike is a fantastic entry-level e-mountain bike that delivers on power, design, and practicality. With a great balance of speed, range, and ride quality, it's a smart choice for anyone looking to break into the e-bike world. Link symbol emoji, click here to grab your Qlife Racer now.